Hey everyone, it's Malka and welcome back to today's video. I want to share with you guys some of the Starface products that have been incorporated into my skincare routines that I really like. So if that's something you are interested in, then please keep on watching. Before we get started, this video is sponsored by Starface, so thank you so much to Starface for sponsoring this video. But let's go ahead and get straight to the products that I'm about to share with you guys. For those who don't know Starface, they are the brand behind the well-known Starface. This is the pimple patch and it's the hydrocolloid pimple patch, which I absolutely love, and a lot of people have used this in the past, but don't let that fool you. They do have other products in their skincare line. So the other two products that I'm about to show you guys and talked about in this video also is the Space Wash Foaming Facial Cleanser and also the Moisture on Mars Hydrating Face Cream. So let's go ahead and talk about the pimple patch first. Right, so the pimple patch comes in this beautiful, like a tiny box right here. It looks like a pill box and it has this big smiley face on it, and it has a cute star smiley face, and it's bright yellow of course. And then in here you got all your patches. So the patches itself is in the shape of a bright yellow star too. The main active ingredient of this pimple patch is hydrocolloid, and I'm just going to read off exactly what's it say in the box. So according to that double-blind randomized study, hydrocolloid patches are proven to reduce inflammation and accelerate healing. It's also helps improve the redness, sebums, and pigmentation over time. So whenever I feel like a pimples is coming and I want something that helps relieve the redness, irritation, and it's also something to protect the pimple from bacteria and dirt and stuff that coming in just can, you know, make it worse, I would pop this on. And I don't really have a zit right now on my face or pimple or anything on my face, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on the face anyway. So here's the patch. Let's put it right here, and just like that it will stick on it. And look how cute it is. It's super cute, so you can definitely wear this out if you want to, and I've done this in the past. I just put this on and wear this out. And what's great about this is if you're wearing face masks, and you know we all got those mask knee, so you can just pop that on and wear a face mask over it. All great. So that's the first product that I absolutely love and I've been using. And the other products that I have been using and incorporating into my skincare routine is the Space Wash Foaming Facial Cleanser, and here's what it looks like. It's in their signature yellow bottle. So this facial cleanser is a plant-based, and you can use this AM and PM. It helps just remove all the dirt and impurity, makeup also. And on day that I don't wear like any makeup at all, I just use this by itself. And on days that I wear heavy makeup, I would do this as a double cleanse. So I would go with a cleansing balm and then this. I just like my skin to feel super cleansed. What I really like about this facial cleanser is that it doesn't strip any moisture out of your skin at all. So once you're done washing your face, it's feel clean, but it doesn't feel like streaky or anything. In this cleanser right here, it has some main ingredients that really helps with the overall skin condition. We have the white willow barks, which help exfoliate the skin. Sage leaf would help heal the skin and reduce any irritation. And then we have the holly basil leaves that treat skin infection while help preventing it. And then we have the chamomilla flower, which is a natural bacteria blocker, and then calendula flower works against dryness and irritation. So overall, it's going to help protect your skin and prevent any bacteria, and also just doesn't strip any moisture off your skin, if that makes any sense. So after I done wash my face and tone my face and put on my favorite serum, I would go in with the Moisture on Mars Hydrating Facial Cream, and again come in this signature yellow bottle. It is a pump moisturizer, which I really love. So this is what it looks like. I just pump a little bit on my hand just to show you guys. So this moisturizer right here is great for acne prone skin. It was made for acne prone skin in mind. So that being said, it's also great for all skin types. So you can use this to help keep a nice barrier for your skin. It also helps keeping the oil in check, your excess oil. So for those who have acne prone skin, you either combination or like oily skin type, so this will keep your excess oil in check. It also help prevent any pore clogging. Just overall a great moisturizer. And can I just say that I really appreciate it's come in a bottle with a pump instead of a jar, because I feel like a lot of the moisturizer that I use come in a jar, and I hate when things come in a tub or a jar and you have to kind of scoop it out. It just doesn't seem very sanitary, you know. Like something in a pump like this, it's easier, pump the products out and you get a little at a time, and just, you know, it's cleaner in my opinion. So yeah, those are the products that I've been incorporating into my skincare routines that I really like, and I feel like it's really helps with my overall skin condition. So these right here, you can get these as a combo on Starface website right now. I'll go ahead and link the link for you guys down in the description box below. I believe these are $35. You get the hydrocolloid patch, you get the moisture on Mars hydrating facial cream, and then you also got this face wash facial foaming facial cleanser. All three of these products are only $35. You can get this as a bundle. It's free shipping worldwide, I believe, and you can get this on Starface website. So yeah, those are the products that I want to talk to you guys about in this video. And again, thank you to Starface for sponsoring this video and give me a chance to share these products with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel of course, and follow me on Instagram at Simply Saban, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.